Hi, it's Jerry here. If you would like to learn how to make money on the internet doing internet marketing as a complete beginner, I have something very exciting to share with you today. God knows with the COVID situation, I'm sure a lot of you out there would like to earn a side income using the internet to make money from the comfort of your own home. Next Wednesday, I would like to invite you to an exclusive live once-off webinar that will teach you how to make money on the internet using a very unique platform, which is every tool and technology built into the platform that you'll ever need to make money on the internet. The platform we use is called Groove Funnels, and I would like to invite you to actually do a live training with the founder of Groove Funnels. His name is Mike Filsame. He's a very famous internet marketer, and Mike and my very good friend, world-renowned internet marketing guru David Kavanagh, who's based over in Thailand. Both Mike and David are going to get together next Wednesday and do a live 2-hour full training webinar on how to use this amazing product to make money on the internet. As a complete beginner, or if you have experience in internet marketing already, you'll find out that this platform is a complete game changer. To get into the seminar, there's only one way, and that's actually to send me a PM or write a comment below, and I'll PM you. You must sign up on my link for Groove Funnels, and once you do that, I'll send you a link to register for this webinar. It's once off, it's live. Mike Filsame is so busy, it's just been so difficult to retain his services to do this webinar, so don't miss out the chance on learning how to make money using the internet. Get on the webinar, comment below, and if you're a friend, hit like, share out my post, give me some help with this here. I would really appreciate it, and or send me a PM, and we'll get you hooked up and invited to the webinar. Hope to hear from you. Take care. Bye-bye.